Namaste. I am Roshan Kumar, student of Janakalyan Secondary School. I study in grade 6. This school is located at Suklaganteki 5, Belchauatara, Tanau. Today I am feeling much proud to take part in this innovative challenge competition. Nowadays, a lot of wastes are there in our house and in our surroundings. We people can make some useful things and some decorative items from that wastage. Like that, I have made a vacuum cleaner and earthquake detector. Let me show you how I made this vacuum cleaner. I used here cardboards for structure. I used here bottle caps and two switches, one for the LED and one for the vacuum cleaner. This is the charger cable, and there is one wheels and two wheels. These parts which pick up the wastage. Let's see its interior. Here I used a battery and a motor. I made this motor to revolve in anti-clockwise so it can inhale the air. And I used a bottle and iron net, and we can open it after the wastage is collected and throw it out. So let's see it's working. This is the remote. Yes, it's working. And this is the earthquake. I made this structure with cardboard, and here is simply a glass. Inside it there is a motor, and when the motor revolves, toss the glass and started to bail. This part work as the switch. When it toss this part and it started to bail and makes us aware. When the earthquake occurs, the land started to shake, and when it toss this part and it started to bail and makes us aware during earthquake. Thank you.